Hello everyone. After a long period of time, we will again meet to discuss about the drugs of Himalayan region. So today I am going to discuss about the different important aspects of Kutki. Its botanical name is Picrorhiza kuru. Its family is Scrophulariaceae. And if we see the distribution, the plant Kutk is found in the alpine Himalayas from Kashmir to Sikkim at the elevation of 3000 to 4000 meters. Especially in Himachal Pradesh, Kutk is found in Thamsar and Dansor areas of Bada and Chota Bengal, respectively, in Kangra district. It is also found in Bharmor, Jutadhar and Mani Mahesh of Chamba district, Lahore, Kinnaur, Rohtang Pass, especially in rocky slopes. If we see the morphology of the plant, Kutki is a trailing herb with jointed and zigzag underground stems, or we can say rhizomes, giving off shoots at the joints and also rooting at the nodes. Leaves are spatulate and dentate, withered leaves giving the appearance of Matsya Shakla, scales of fishes. Flowers are bluish white, arranged in dense terminal and spicate racemes. You can see this is the dry sample of rhizome of Kutki. It is cylindrical, up to 12 cm long and 4 to 10 mm in diameter. If we see the outer surface, it is grey or creamish brown in color, bearing impressions of round root scars and numerous scales. Transversely cut portion of rhizome shows a smooth dark brown surface with large creamish vascular bundles arranged in a prominent broken ring. Fracture is short and taste is very bitter and long lasting. Its collection is done during September and October. Vegetative propagation from rhizomes, stolons and offsets is quite easy. Now, pharmacodynamic properties of Kutki. Its gun is Laghuruj, Ras Tikt, Vipak Katu and Veere Sheath. Chemical constituents: a brown resinous glycoside picrorhizine and A-glycone picrorhizitine have been reported from the rhizome. CDRI has found Kutkoside, which is the best hepatoprotective. Now come to the action and uses. Kutki is one of the important Ayurvedic drugs used by Ayurvedic practitioners to cure the problems of digestive system. It may be used as a single drug or in combination. It is a bitter tonic, stomachic and laxative in a small dose, and in large dose it is cathartic. Kutki is also known as an effective cholagogue because it stimulates the healthy downward flow of the bile from liver into the intestine. So, it is used in bile trouble, especially in jaundice. Phaltrikadi is one of the important formulation for that purpose. It helps to shield the liver from toxins, so it acts as a hepatoprotective. Kutki is one of the important drugs to cure any type of Pittaj Vikar like Dah, Rag. Amlpit means acid peptic disorder. Due to the ampachik property, it is used in fever. Dose: in the powder form, it is used half to 1 gram. Now come to the formulations. There are so many formulations present in the market like Arogyavardhini Vati, Katukadi Tel, Mahasudarshan Chud, Raktashodhak Vati, Amrita Rist, Faltrikadi Kwad, Kumar Yaso, Sari Vadya Rist, Punarnama Mandur, etc. Another point about Kutki is its adulteration. As we know, adulteration and substitution of herbal drugs is a burning problem in herbal industry. Kutki is one of the most important drug among the drugs which are used in Ayurvedic system of medicine, but comes under endangered category. Rhizomes of Trimard is often found mixed with Kutki. Botanical source of Trimard is Gentiana kuro of the family Gentianaceae. Due to the similarity in useful part, that is rhizome, and both the drugs are found in the same places in Himalayas. So the mixing may be intentionally or unintentionally done. But if we see the rhizomes of Kutki, it is black or brownish black, looks just like scales of fish, which are the impressions of withered leaves. In Ayurveda, it is mentioned as Matsya Shakla. If we break the rhizome, its inner portion is black with cream colored spots arranged in broken ring, which are actually vascular bundles, while outer part of the rhizome of Gentiana is creamish colored with small tubercles, are not like Matsya Shakla as found in Kutki. We can also differentiate by their flowers. Flowers of Trimard are deep blue and creamish in the throat, and usually two on each stem, but sometimes solitary. And flowers of Kutki is somewhat purplish blue and are arranged in spicate raceme. Thank you.